Welcome to a rare and commanding waterfront offering on beautiful Lake Winnisquam. This exceptional property combines effortless water access with a turnkey home in a highly sought-after setting. Inside the main house, a vaulted family room is anchored by a cozy propane fireplace, while expansive windows perfectly frame your lake views. The eat-in kitchen features beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a convenient wine cooler. The home offers 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 well-appointed bathrooms, including one with integrated laundry, all kept comfortable with central air conditioning. Living space flows seamlessly into a stunning sunroom, wrapped in walls of windows to create the ultimate setting for relaxing at sunset. Step outside to an expansive deck and a meticulously maintained, level lawn that extends directly to the water. Just across the driveway, a detached garage features a fantastic 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom guest suite above, providing flexible, private living space for company. With walkout access to a sandy bottom shoreline and 2 deeded 48-foot boat slips, premier lakefront living awaits. Contact us today to schedule your private tour.